Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting your data. Back up the iPhone to iCloud or a local computer so you can restore if needed. Decide if you want an Android-like experience with an iOS or plan to explore safe alternatives. Full OS replacement isn't supported without major risk. Once done, gather replacements from the App Store. Launchers aren't available, but browsers, keyboard apps, widgets, and Android-style apps can approximate the feel while keeping your device secure and supported. Next, you recreate the Android vibe using permitted tools. Install third-party keyboards, a customizable browser, messaging apps, and file managers that resemble Android counterparts. Configure keyboard and browser defaults where iOS allows. Then add widgets and use shortcuts to build Android-like actions, and replace icons with custom images to change visual cues. Make sure to tweak notification styles and app arrangements so the device behaves more like what you expect. Finish by auditing privacy and permissions for every new app, tightening settings, and disabling unnecessary background access. Make small iterative changes, testing stability after each step. If you see performance or battery problems, remove the latest additions and reboot. If things still fail, restore your backup to return to a known good state. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone becomes unstable after changes, restore the backup first. Then reintroduce modifications more cautiously to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.